Everybody. Today we are going to talk about substring function in SQL Server. Substring function is used to extract some character from the string. Let's get started. Here we have a database is customer. In customer we have a table called employee. So let's see the employee table, and we have 6 record out of it. How the best we can use of substring? The function of substring is substring. The first will be string, then the start position, and the number of character you want out of it. So let's take example. Let's say there is a string database clarity. Out of it we want from first to 7 character. So let's say what we get out of it. So we have DABAS. So here we have 7 character from the starting. So 1 is a starting position from where 7 characters will be extracted. So here it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we extract 8 character from the starting, so it will extract the all database. So how by this way we can use the substring function in SQL Server. I'm just giving you one more example out of it. Select substring, let's say database clarity, and if I start with the 10 to let's say 7, so it will start from the 10 character trend and it will fetch 7 records. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It will start from C. It will start from C because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it will start from the C. So here you can see that we can print or we can extract any character from the any string. Here we have an employee table. If we want the first 4 characters from all the strings, how we can use it? Select substring amp name. Amp name is a field over here. Amp name comma. I want first 4 character 1 to 4 from employee. So here you can see the 4 characters are extracted from the string. Let's say if I insert one more record in the employee table, insert into employee, employee name only, values, let's say Naval Singh. So here I am inserting one record in the database. We cannot null value. We cannot insert null value in the amp ID. Amp ID, let's say 7. So here you can see the all record. Let's say if I use this function over here, you can see that Naval, N-A-V-A, L is missing over here. So how we can best what is the best use basically of a substring is to extract or to separate the first name and the last name from the string. So let's say if I want the first name and last name of each employee in this query, so how we can do it? So we have a function called char index. Here we have, let's say, just understand it first. So I want the space, because in every record we have a space in the employee name. We can separate the first name and the last name by the help of space. So we need to find the space. Let's say I just want to find space in the Naval Singh. So here you can see it will give you the number of on which position the space exists. So here in number 6 we have a space exists. So by this char index we can separate the first name and last name. Let's see how we can do it. So here select star from employee. So here we will see the first name and the last name. First substring. Here the string name is amp name, right? And the first character, we want the first character will be the 1, and the last character will be the char index of the name. Char index, find space, and in which field, from which field we want the space? Amp name. So here or -1. Let's see, without -1 we can see what the answer get as first name. Let's see what we get. So here you can see that all the names, we extracted the first name from the name. Here we are getting the full name of Naval. So now we want the last name. How we can get the last name? So same, we need to use it, substring and the amp name, and it will start from where? It will start from the space. How we can find the space? Through the char index. Char index, we need to find the space from amp name, and we need to start from the space till where? Till the length of the string. Length of the string we can find through the function of len. So as last name. So let's see what the output we get. Yes, we got the correct output. This is the first name, and let's print the amp name so that you can get the whole visibility. So see, here the name was John Smith, and it separated John and Smith separately. So the best use of substring over here is to separate the name, first name, you can separate the middle name, you can separate the last name. So that is the best use of substring in SQL Server. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and I hope you have subscribed the channel and you are getting my notification, the notification of the videos which are uploading on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time.